Day 2. Unleash your inner strength. Alright team, welcome to day 2 of our 90-day fit challenge. You smashed it yesterday. Now let's keep that energy high. Today is all about building strength. And guess what? You don't need a fancy gym for this. We're working those muscles right here, right now. Strength training helps you burn more calories even when you're resting. It boosts your energy levels so you can power through your day. Are you ready to unleash your inner strength? Let's do this. Warm up. Get that body moving. Before we dive into the workout, it's super important to warm up those muscles. A good warm-up prepares your body for action and prevents injuries. So let's get those hearts pumping. High knees for 30 seconds. Bring those knees up high. Imagine you're running in place. Arm circles for 30 seconds forward, then 30 seconds backward. Stand tall and circle your arms forward, then backward. Make those circles nice and big. Jumping jacks for 30 seconds. This classic warm-up exercise is a great way to get your heart rate up. Leg swings for 30 seconds per leg. Feel that blood flowing? Great. Now we're ready to hit it hard. Full body workout. Feel the burn. Feel the power. Today's workout is all about working those muscles and building strength. We're going for 3 sets of each exercise with a short rest in between. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Deadlifts, 10 repetitions. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart with a weight in each hand. Bend at your hips and lower the weight towards the ground, keeping your back straight. Stand back up, squeezing your glutes. Push up to T-raise, 8 repetitions. Start in a push-up position. Lower your chest towards the ground, then push back up. At the top, rotate your body to one side and raise one arm straight up, forming a T shape. Repeat on the other side. Reverse lunges, 10 repetitions per leg. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Step back with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Alternate legs. Plank with shoulder taps for 30 seconds. Start in a high plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and tap your right hand to your left shoulder. Return to plank and repeat on the other side. Dumbbell rows, 10 repetitions per arm. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a weight in each hand. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight. Let the weights hang towards the ground. Pull the weights up towards your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower the weights back down with control. Cool down, relax and recharge. Well done team, you crushed that workout. Now it's time to cool down and give your muscles some love. Stretching helps improve flexibility, reduces muscle soreness and prevents injuries. Forward folds. Hold for 30 seconds. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and bend forward from your hips, reaching towards your toes. Let your head hang heavy. Cat-cow stretch. 10 repetitions. Start on your hands and knees. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor and lift your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. Child's pose. Hold for 30 seconds. Take this time to breathe deeply and relax your body. Fuel your body. Food is your friend. You've worked hard. Now it's time to refuel your body with delicious, nutritious food. Remember, what you put into your body is just as important as your workout. Here are some tasty meal ideas. Vegetarian breakfast. Overnight oats with berries and nuts. Lunch. Lentil soup with whole wheat bread. Dinner. Veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Non-vegetarian. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with smoked salmon and avocado. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with quinoa. Mind over matter. You got this. We're not just training our bodies on this 90-day challenge, we're training our minds too. Today's personal growth tip is all about mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment, without judgment. It's about paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting carried away by them. How can you practice mindfulness? It's easier than you think. Pay attention to your breath. Notice the sensations of your body as you move. Join the challenge today and unlock your personalized plan. Together, we can achieve anything.